everyone, this is me Satya here and I'm back with the monthly reads. This reading is going to be for the sign of Pisces. So let's see how the month of June gonna be for my fishies. I will add oracle cards in this reading but no charms will be added, so stay tuned. And while I shuffle the cards, let me remind you it's a general reading. It may and it may not resonate with everyone out there, so always pick the messages which are resonating and leave the rest. For personal reads, you can always reach out to me on my email ID in the description box. You can also follow me on Instagram where I do upload daily readings. So yeah, let's dive into the read. Let's find out how the month is going to be for fishies. Let's begin. King of Cups, Seven of Cups, Six of Pentacles, Four of Swords. Underneath the deck we do have the Justice. I feel like you're gonna feel like you're not getting justice from your specific someone in love life. You would feel like as if this person is not giving you much. They are giving their time and energy to someone else, something else, and that's gonna make you question what are you doing in this situation. Is it something ideal that you want in your love life, or is it high time that you move on? This person does have love for you for sure. Now seems like maybe they have a lot on their plate right now that they would not be able to give justice to you in this situation. They would have other things to ponder upon. They have other things to give their time to, be that in love, work, home life situation. It seems like when it comes to, hold on, I feel like, when it comes to them giving, for some of you, the person that you are dealing with could be dealing with another person as well. Now, it seems like, in that situation, they do have still love for you, but then there is another person in their love life as well. It will be different for different people, but that's what I'm picking up as well. Let's take some clarifier there. They do have love for you for sure, but do they have another person in their life? Let's find out. Do they have another person, a third party situation, which could be another person in their love life? Do they have another person in their love life? Yes or no? We're gonna take the card for that. Do they have another person in their love life? Yes or no? No, they don't. The death coming up as an answer. No, they don't have. It's just that they are dealing with something, maybe in their love, in their work life or in their home life situation, which is why they are unable to give you time. Now, do they love you? I feel like they do with the King of Cups. It seems like they do have love for you, but then they do have passion. They fail to take mature actions that can bring you happiness. What is it that's keeping them busy? The Star card wants to come up. Hold on. What is it that's keeping them busy? What is it that they have on their plate? They have other issues. They have other things that takes a lot of their time right now. Especially in the very beginning of the month, it seems like it's not going to be a balanced time for you to deal with your person, because they are going to be very, very busy, where you will feel like neglected by your person for sure. And then you're going to question, like, am I the only one that they have in their life? Is this situation ideal to be in? You are going to question every move of yours, every situation with your person. You would feel that you are not getting the justice in the situation. Do you want this person to take you for granted, or do you want to move on? What shall you do in this situation is going to be your question. You would want something beautiful with this person, but then there are nothing positive that you can, there is nothing positive that you can see coming with your person as well. So it's going to be a month where you're going to feel like a lot of stress. You would feel like this person is not giving you much. You would be praying, affirming, and wishing and hoping that this person opens up about their feelings, love, emotions to you. Now, do they do that? It's going to be different for different people, but maybe towards the later part of the month, maybe situation will get better, but it's not going to be happening for everyone out there. Let me see. You have to stay strong. You have to stay committed to the idea that you want this person, because I feel like this person you will be having a lot of ups and downs with this person this month. It seems like, they will be like, sometimes available to you, sometimes they won't be. Now that's gonna that's gonna make you question, what is it that's keeping this person busy, um, because you will not be able to understand what is it. So seems like you will question their love in this month for sure. This person is not going to give you enough time. Let's see what the oracle has to add to the read. Passion. You will feel as if their passion is dying away from this connection as well. Allow your heart and sing to soul to sing with joy. You will feel lack of passion in this person for you as well, and this month is what I'm picking up. Float, extend your light-hearted energy to others. You would feel like maybe you need to open up about having it with other people. Keep an open mind. Your soulmate may differ from your usual type and expectations. I feel like, somehow you would feel the need to move on to somebody better, to somebody who could give you what you want, because your person seems to be unavailable. Let's see what the other oracle has to add to the read. Let's see. But I feel like, fishes are going to be like, feeling the need to move on for sure. Snake, shed old skin. You feel like, moving on from this connection. This person is not giving you enough of what you desire, so you would feel the need to move on. Traveler, move on to a new direction. In a new direction, I feel like, you would definitely feel like giving up on this person, this connection. You don't care if they love you or they don't, because you love them, but then they don't give in to connection. So you would feel the need to move on to somebody better, to something better. Broken arrow, embrace the energy of peace. I feel like, you would want the time in your life where you could enjoy some good times. Being with this person is making it hard for you to do so. So let's take one card from this deck. Let's see what it has to add to the read. Seems like fishes are gonna feel the need to move on. Have patience. Love is patient and kind always. For some of you, you're gonna wait for this person. For others of you, or for majority of you, I feel like, you would be waiting. You would be choosing to move on. For some of you, maybe the situation between you and your person could get better between the second half, in between the second half of the month, after the 15th or 16th of the month. But I feel like, for majority of you, you would feel the need to move on, because your person is not going to be giving into this connection the way you would want them, and they would fail to satisfy you in each and every way. You would feel like, you are giving too much of your time and energy to this person, but you get nothing out of it. Now, even though there won't be another person in their life, but you would feel like there is something that is keeping them away. You would have this thing that you would want to change. Let's see what else can we get about the energy of the person that you are dealing with. What is it? What is it that your person is dealing with? Seven of Pentacles and the Ten of Swords underneath the deck. They might be busy with stuff. They won't be having enough time. They won't be doing justice to you, and they might know it as well. So seems like you will have to be patient with your person, because otherwise situation might go out of control. I do see that, for majority of my fishes, they would choose to move on, in terms of at least letting new people in your life and see where things goes with them, because waiting on for this person and the situation to evolve is not going to satisfy the fishies this month. So yeah, that's pretty much it coming up for you for this read. If the reading resonates with you, do like, subscribe, and share. If you're willing to get a personal read, you can always reach out to me for that on my email ID in the description box. Till I do the next reading for you guys, take care. Bye bye.